Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you want to know how you can connect your Samsung tablet to your projector. So primarily look for Samsung tablet USB-C. You want to check out the adapter, how it's written here. Purchase or connect USB-C to HDMI adapter or to your phone, and then HDMI cable to your projector. Same thing with the tablet, right? So here you're gonna have that Galaxy tabs that are compatible. You can connect mobile device to external display using HDMI adapter. Connect the HDMI adapter to your mobile device. Connect an HDMI cable to your adapter. And what you're gonna find here, these are the Galaxy tabs that are like that you can do the S8 series primarily. And you can see it right here. I will show you USB-C HDMI, something like this, right? That you're gonna have connected to the USB and then to the projector. So that's how it's done. And then check the pull down menu on your tablet. There's a media output on the top right, just below the row icons. Tap that and choose connected HDMI device. So yeah, and this is the cable.